Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to turn on a heated steering wheel in a Honda CR-V just like this one right here. And this will be an easy tutorial for absolute beginners. So let's get right into this instructional video. As you can see right here, this is the steering wheel. And this is the steering wheel of my 2017 Honda CR-V EXL. And obviously, you know, your CR-V might be a different trim level. It might be newer, it might be older. But the process for turning on the heated steering wheel on a CR-V, whether it's a little bit older, a little bit newer, different trim level, is going to be the same thing, okay? For the most part. As you can see right here, this is the steering wheel. We're going to look on the right side of the steering wheel. You can see there's a left side with all these controls and a right side with all these controls. We're going to focus in on this little control right over here. This is actually, as you can see, it shows a steering wheel. It shows the shape of this steering wheel, and it shows like those little arrows pointing up, which signifies an increase in temperature. That means like heated, right? So in order to turn on the heated steering wheel, I'm just going to press this button over here. And as you can see, that light turns on, and now the steering wheel will begin to heat. And I have to say, I do have to give, you know, credit where credit is due. The steering wheel heats up extremely fast, okay? Honestly, it's hot within like less than a minute. It's already really warm. It's already feeling really warm right now, and it just turned it on. Now, the steering wheel, I believe, if I remember correctly, the heated steering wheel feature will go off automatically after a certain point in time. So I do believe that after a certain amount of minutes have gone by, it will go off automatically as far as I remember. And I think the heated seats actually will decrease themselves as well after a certain amount of time as far as I can remember. But yeah, if you want to turn it off manually, all that you gotta do is push it again. When the light turns off and is unilluminated, then obviously the heated steering wheel has been turned off. And that's it. It's literally that simple. If you like this video tutorial, try to keep it short and sweet. If you liked it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.